Hello guys, today we are going to talk about paragraphs. There is a similarity between paragraphs and hamburgers because we need different elements to make a whole thing. So let's pay attention. Now, take into account that what we are going to study in this video is useful both for reading and for writing. A paragraph is a group of related sentences that presents a unit of thought. This is a topic, so they are about one topic. A paragraph contains a topic sentence, supporting details, and a concluding sentence. These sentences follow one another from the beginning to the end of the paragraph, and every paragraph must have a title. When you read, a new paragraph is indicated by indentation of the first word of the first sentence. So let's look at the example. This is not invented. This is invented. This is not invented. As you see, the second sentence is invented. Indentation is from 5 to 7 spaces or the tab button in your keyboard. Now, let's go over topic sentence. The topic sentence is usually the first sentence of the paragraph. Usually, not all the time, right? It states the main idea of the paragraph. A good topic sentence tells the reader exactly what the rest of the paragraph will be about. As you see, then the topic sentence is like an umbrella because you have under the umbrella different examples and supporting details. Now, the topic sentence has some characteristics. First, it identifies the topic or the subject. And then it gives the main idea or controlling idea. There are certain strategies we have to identify the topic sentence or topic sentences in general. First is identify the topic. Figure out the general subject of the entire paragraph. Number 2, locate the most general sentence, the topic sentence. This sentence must be broad enough to include all the other sentences or all the other ideas in the paragraph. Number 3, study the rest of the paragraph. The topic sentence must make the rest of the paragraph meaningful. It is the one idea that ties all of the other ideas together. In other words, all the ideas and all the sentences of the paragraph have to be directly related to the topic sentence. Okay, it's time to practice. I want you to pause this video to read this paragraph and answer the questions below. Take as long time as you need. Okay? Ready? So what's the topic? Animal sleeping habits. You can say it in other words, but that's the topic of the paragraph. What's the controlling idea? Okay, that animal sleeping habits differ in a number of ways. So what's the topic sentence? Animal sleeping habits differ in a number of ways. So how did you do? Let's now cover supporting details. Supporting details are middle sentences of the paragraph that explain or support the topic sentence. These details may be facts, reasons, or examples that provide further information about the topic sentence. They are sometimes connected by transition words or phrases. So there are two types of details. They are major details, the primary points that support the main idea, and the minor details, that are ideas that serve to expand major details. Okay? This paragraph shows supporting details in a context. So take into account that the first sentence is the topic sentence, and the details that we have there are supporting ideas. take your time, pause this video and read them and analyze them. If you have any questions, write them down so that you can ask them to your professor later on. Now, let's go over concluding sentences. A concluding sentence sums up the idea presented. It expresses the same idea as the topic sentence, but in different words. The following transitional words and phrases are commonly used at the beginning of concluding sentences. So we have, for example, as a result, overall, for this reason, certainly, because of this, surely, in conclusion, therefore, for these reasons, clearly, thus, in brief. How do you know what word you should use? Well, it depends on your paragraph and your ideas. You could use other words, but these ones are very good examples. Now, I would like you to pause the video one more time and to take some time to read this paragraph, to analyze the topic sentence, concluding sentence, and which are the supporting details. That will be it for today's video, guys. I hope that you had a clearer idea of how to organize a paragraph. Please make sure that you send your professor any question or questions you have. Take care, guys.